I'm here now with Lisa Weinberger, employment attorney, and you have a very specific practice for moms. Tell me a little bit about what you do.
Exactly. I'm an employment attorney. I founded my solo practice called Mom Esquire. And basically what that is a law practice dedicated to the needs of moms and moms-to-be. So I help women maximize and understand their maternity leave benefits, help with reinstatement rights, pumping rights, negotiating flexible and part-time arrangements, and then also helping people to properly and legally employ their domestic help.
Oh, yeah, because that is a big thing. And returning to work after baby is always a big deal. Lots of things to think about. But what is the #1 priority or tip that maybe you should really focus on when you're trying to go back to work after having a child?
I think the biggest thing is making sure that you have reliable care for your child that you can trust. It's really hard to leave your children in the care of someone you don't know and go back into the workforce and wonder during the day if they're being cared for in the way that you want. So making sure that you've done your due diligence, that you have someone in your home who you've trained, who you trust, who you respect, and making sure that that's taken care of.
And that is the #1 thing that can weigh on your mind all day. I know from current experience, and as we all know, that is the #1 thing. So great advice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks.